Stop wasting hours reading PDFs and searching for answers. There's a smarter way to learn with AI. In this video, you'll discover how NotebookLM can summarize documents, answer questions, create study guides, generate AI podcasts, and save you hours every day. Meet NotebookLM, Google's powerful AI research assistant. It understands your documents, answers questions, and helps you learn faster than ever. Instead of reading hundreds of pages, let NotebookLM summarize, explain, and organize everything for you in minutes. Upload your PDFs, Google Docs, or websites. NotebookLM instantly understands your sources and gets ready to answer every question. Add multiple sources like YouTube videos, PDFs, and Google Slides. NotebookLM combines everything into one powerful AI knowledge base.
Add multiple sources like YouTube videos, PDFs, and Google Slides. NotebookLM combines everything into one powerful AI knowledge base.
Ask follow-up questions, explore deeper insights, and get trusted answers directly from your own uploaded sources. One click is all it takes. NotebookLM instantly turns long documents into clear, easy-to-understand summaries. Need to study faster? NotebookLM automatically creates study guides, FAQs, and practice questions from your documents in seconds.
Don't just read your documents, listen to them. NotebookLM transforms your notes into a natural AI audio overview in seconds. Don't just read your documents, listen to them. NotebookLM transforms your notes into a natural AI audio overview in seconds.
Listen anytime, anywhere. NotebookLM turns your documents into an engaging AI podcast, making learning easier and faster.
NotebookLM makes it incredibly easy to organize information from multiple sources. You can import copied text, PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, images, and even files from Google Drive. Just add your source and NotebookLM instantly understands the content, making it simple to summarize, analyze, and chat with your information. Now let's see how NotebookLM works in a real-world example. The first step is adding your source. NotebookLM supports almost every type of content you can think of. You can upload PDF documents, paste copied text, import website URLs, add YouTube videos, upload audio recordings, images, and even files directly from Google Drive. Instead of reading everything yourself, NotebookLM analyzes the information for you in just a few moments. For this demonstration, I'm using an image as the source. After uploading it, NotebookLM automatically understands the content and prepares it for AI-powered analysis. Once your source is ready, switch to the Studio tab. This is where the magic happens. With just a single click, NotebookLM can transform your content into multiple useful formats. You can generate an audio overview that sounds like a podcast, a video overview for quick visual learning, a professional slide deck for presentations, flashcards for studying, interactive quizzes to test your knowledge, colorful infographics to simplify complex information, and detailed reports for deeper understanding. The best part is that you don't have to create these manually. NotebookLM uses Google's AI to organize and present the information in seconds. In this example, I'll generate a video overview. After selecting the option, NotebookLM starts processing the content automatically. Depending on the size and complexity of your source, generation usually takes just a few minutes. When it's finished, your AI-generated video is ready to watch and share. This same workflow works with PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, images, Google Drive documents, and even simple copied text. Just upload your source, choose the output you want, and let NotebookLM do the heavy lifting. Whether you're a student, teacher, researcher, content creator, or business professional, NotebookLM can save hours of work while helping you learn, organize, and create content faster than ever before.
If you study, research, or create content, NotebookLM is one of the smartest free AI tools you should start using today.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and don't miss our next video. Useful AI tools for students and everyone in 2026. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and don't miss our next video. Useful AI tools for students and everyone in 2026. See you in the next one.